Welcome to Operation Lifesaver's Competitive Crossing Safety State Grant Grant Seeker tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with the Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing grant seekers how to use our site to apply for a grant. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into our site. In order to log into our site for the first time, you need to register. You can register by going to www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green applicant icon. If you've already registered, you're just going to log in using your username and password. From the dashboard, you're going to want to click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant Application site, so find Operation Lifesaver and click on Select Program. Here you will find the Competitive Crossing Safety State Grant, and you're going to want to click on Start Draft Application. We're now in the draft application. There's a reminder at the top to save your work, and a progress bar has appeared showing you all the different pages or steps you need to go through in order to submit your application. Currently we are on the instructions page. These are important instructions written by the grant maker. Please make sure you scroll down and read all of them. At the bottom is the Competitive Safety Grant Budget Sheet. Please click on this file name, save it to your computer, complete it, because you're going to need to upload it on the Program Documents page in this application. When you're done, you can click Next to move to the next page. Anytime you click Next or Previous, you move up and down the progress bar, and any information you've entered will automatically be saved. However, if you're going to enter a lot of information on one page for an extended period of time, I recommend clicking the Save button. Any fields with a red asterisk are required, and you cannot submit your application until you've filled out all the required fields or uploaded all the required documents. If there's no red asterisk, the field is optional. Some pages have a Page Help button. Please click on it and a pop-up appears telling you information about that page. I'm now moving to the Organization Background page. The only field on this page is the tax ID. Now I've jumped over the Select Grant Seeker Program page and moved right to the Program Background page. That's because I don't have any saved programs in my account. Once I save this, I will have my first saved program. This one is automatically named 2016 Competitive Crossing Safety Grant. There's a summary. If I click on the Page Help, it says in the summary field, please briefly describe the type of project you intend to carry out. So it's 300 characters. And you see as I type, the character count goes down, letting me know how many characters I have left. 300 is about 2 to 3 sentences. Underneath, there's some specific questions you need to answer. Some are radio buttons and some are text fields. Program Documents. Let's click on the Page Help. This is where we upload our project budget. To upload a document, you just click on Upload Document. There's only one document required, which is budget. You browse your computer. Find your document. Click on it, click Open, and click Save. And now my budget has been uploaded to my document, or has been uploaded to my application. Program Media. Let's look at the Page Help. Please upload files showing materials, videos, images, Word documents to be used in the project only. So upload media, you can upload a document just like I did on the page before, or you can enter a URL. If the document's really big, it's better to enter a URL. A URL meaning your document could be sitting, your video could be sitting on YouTube or Flickr. If it's an image, it could be any type of website that you just have to do is put the URL in there. You click Save. When the application's submitted, right here they will have a link to get to your media image, whatever URL you had entered. Application information, the amount you're requesting. And then on this page, this is the preview page. You can look at your application here. It's all in a tab format to see all the information you entered. Over on the right-hand side is the draft application status, and it says not okay. If I click on it, a pop-up appears telling me the information that's not okay. Here you can see I did not fill out my tax ID number, and I did not answer all the questions on the program background page. So in order to correct that, you need to go back to the page and fill out the information that is required that has not been filled out. Once all the information has been filled out, the preview page will have a green OK. You can submit your application and get an application number. At any time, you do not have to finish your application in one sitting. You can pause out of your application, click Save and Pause, go back to the dashboard, log out in the upper right-hand corner, and when you log back in, you're going to see you have a Resume Draft Application. If you click on it, you go right back into the application where you left off. You'll see there's also an Exit Draft Application. If you exit, you don't lose any information you've entered. You just remove that you're applying to the OLI Competitive Safety Grant. And so you would just have to click on Start Draft Application, find Operation Lifesaver, and go back into the application. Good luck! If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us.